Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kenecia if you are new. Also if you're new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and also ring the bell or hit the bell notification button, and that just keeps you in the loop of when I upload new videos or if I upload a new review or whatever the case may be. You'll just get notified pretty much of those kinds of activities on my channel. And yeah, that would be greatly appreciated, but we're not going to talk about that any longer. We're going to get right into this video. Video I'm going to be talking about the new BECCA skin launch that just launched maybe last week, depending on what time this video goes up. So the launch is called the BECCA Skin Love. It's on their website. It's also on Beautylish. I think it's at Ulta and probably Sephora at this point, but you can get it at any of those locations. But it launched with a Skin Glow Elixir, and that was a lightweight skin clarity boosting serum infused with BECCA's Glow Nectar Brightening Hydra Complex, a proprietary blend of natural ingredients that help brighten, hydrate, and nourish the skin. I did pick that up. So for the Glow Glaze Stick that also launched with this, it's an ultra sheer highlighting balm loaded with skin loving ingredients and BECCA's Glow Nectar Brightening Complex. This low shimmer balmy formula creates a flattering dewy glow on your skin. The stick I didn't purchase, but it did remind me when I was looking at it of the Ciate London dewy stick that they have, and I had that one, so I didn't feel like I needed another. Foundation is called the Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation, so it's supposed to feel weightless and also blur. A weightless medium to buildable coverage foundation that has a velvety natural finish that mimics the look of smooth, healthy skin. So all of those retail for somewhere between $42 and up, I believe. I believe the Glow Elixir was $42, and I believe that the foundation is $44. I picked my order up from Beautylish, and it got here super quick. I haven't opened anything. Well, I opened to see like the shade would match me, but I have not swatched or done anything like that. So this is going to be a true review and first impression. So this is the box that the Elixir comes in. Says BECCA Skin Love and Glow Elixir. It's supposed to hydrate, nourish, and hydrate and boost is what it says on here. I'm actually surprised at the size. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but it comes with 0.98 fluid ounces, which is 29 milliliters of product. So this is what it looks like. It's cute. It's got this greenish blue color to it. You can definitely see all the glitters inside of it as well. So I think it's going to be nice for giving the face a glow, and maybe even your body, like your negligee area and all of that. This is the foundation box here. This also says BECCA Skin Love. I got the shade Walnut, which looks a little dark on the box, but if you look here, it looks totally different on the actual tube of the products. This product comes with 1.23 fluid ounces, which is 35 milliliters, and it's got a 12-month shelf life. The foundation has vitamin C, cold pressed avocado and melon blend, and bitter ginger. All of those things are very good on your skin if you have not researched those. And for the record, for anybody who's new here, I have pretty much oily skin, but on some days combo oily skin. Sometimes I get dry right up in here and on my forehead area, and then I'll get like oily everywhere else, or well, not over here, but pretty much in the T-zone area. But yeah, we're just gonna jump right in because I have to go to work and I don't want to be late because I'm making a video. But I have already cleansed my skin and I've applied some toner, so it's really dry right now. I have not put on a moisturizer because I wanted to use this serum. I'm going to take the serum out here. It smells exactly like some kind of melon, like the green melon, honeydew or something like that. And maybe that's where the color came from. But yeah, so I'm just going to take a little bit here. I'm going to put it everywhere because I do like to glow here in South Carolina because it's always sunny and hot. It's the perfect kind of weather for that kind of skin and look. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It it's not a strong scent, and this is very, like, it has a good bit of slip to it. It's not thick, it's not super thin either. Like, I feel like it's the perfect consistency. It spreads very easily. My face feels extremely cool too. Like, I feel like it has like some kind of cooling effect. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Oh my gosh, my face feels so moisturizing, guys. I haven't put on the moisturizer. Normally I do my moisturizers after I do my serum for skincare reasons, but I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It's a primer and moisturizer in one. And a breathable medium coverage liquid foundation with a buildable finish that enhances the natural body of your skin, enriched with BECCA's Glow Nectar Brightening Complex, Vitamin C, Bitter Ginger, and a cold pressed avocado and melon blend. The Weightless formula boosts radiance and maintains skin natural moisture levels for all day comfortable wear. I'm going to be at work all day today, so we are definitely going to be checking in and testing this out. Pore blurring pigments hug every curve and contour of your complexion to instantly diffuse the appearance of imperfections for an effortless second skin finish. So I'm going to shake this up, and again I got the shade Walnut, and if you're wondering what other shades I wear, I'll just leave a little small list of a few foundation shades that I wear in other brands. This is extremely warm for me, but the line only had maybe 16 or so, maybe 20 shades. I would give them 20. I'm gonna say 20. I'll look it up and we'll talk about all that when I check in later today. But definitely wasn't like as big as a variety as they have like in their Ultimate Coverage Foundation and all that. So, but I think this is because it's like a skin foundation. It definitely feels weightless. I'm not seeing the blurring effect right now because I can still like clearly see my pores here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can still see my pores here. It does have a little bit of coverage because like I said, I do have some discoloration, and it did cover that a little bit. It says that it's buildable, so I might do one more layer for you guys. It is drying down to a matte finish, like a natural matte. It's not super matte. I'm gonna use a beauty blender to lock in this last little bit of foundation. So this is the second layer here, and I have a dampened beauty blender. I'm thinking that that will help it to go in a lot smoother. This definitely doesn't look terrible. I do think that it's buildable. Am I getting a full coverage out of it? No, but I didn't expect to get a full coverage because it is a skin light foundation. But this is definitely enough coverage for me to doctor up and wear to work once I add my concealer and things like that. So right now, like I said, I like the way that it's going on. It's not clinging to any dry patches or anything like that. I'm not seeing a whole lot of blurring effects here like as it claimed, but we'll see throughout the day if, you know, my skin starts to look more look better or anything like that, or if I'm noticing any blurring at that point. But other than that, guys, this is what it looks like right now. I'm going to jump off camera real quick and finish getting ready for work, and I'll check back in right before I leave so I can show you my full face and show how everything went on. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm just showing you guys what my face looks like right now that I've finished putting everything on. I do have to go in and add my lashes, of course, but this is just a simple, not too much of a super glam because I am going to work, like I said, and I do want to test this with minimum stuff done to it because I want to really see how the foundation holds up. But it looks very smooth. I feel like I don't look like that I have on a whole lot of makeup, which is a plus for me, being that I'm going to be at work like all day today. But it looks very, very good. The color match was pretty much spot on once I doctored it up. Like I said, I definitely feel like I'm getting a glow, and I think that it's coming from the elixir here that we tried out. So far, this is a thumbs up for me. I'm going to check in later on during the day, and then also when I come back from work, and give you guys an update and my final thoughts on the foundation. Right now, it is 7:18 in the morning. I should be back around 5:30 or 6. So this will be like a 10 or 11 hour wear. We're going to really, really test this bad boy out, and I will let you guys know what I think. Alright, bye guys. Hi guys, so it is 11:41. Let's see if I can turn my camera around here. Never mind. Well, anyway, trust my word, it's 11:41 and I'm just doing my first check-in. Excuse my hair. It's so humid here and it's getting frizzy a little bit. But this is how the foundation is looking right now. My highlight and contour and all of that is still on. A little bit of blush still on too. Everything seems to have applied nicely on top of it, and everything looks really good. Really good. I'm not seeing anything breaking apart here or anything like that. Not super oily either. Still looks very nice. I don't know about you guys, but I really, really like it, and it still looks like so much like skin, but you can tell like I have a little bit of coverage going on here, so I really do like it so far. So it's only, I can't remember what time I left, but I think it was like 7 something, so it's been about almost 5 hours. So we got about 5 more hours to go, guys, and we will see how it looks at that point. But I'll check back in when I get home later today. Bye, guys. Hi, guys. I'm back, and it is officially the end of the day. It is now 5:57 in the freaking evening. So I have had this foundation on for literally like 11 hours. Because when I put it on and checked in with you the first time, it was around 7. And I also checked in with you guys around 12 or 11:30ish. So what I'm going to do now is just take a brush or a sponge and just blot it in, and we'll see how it looks. Here I have my brush that I used to powder my face this morning, and I'm going to take that because it does have some powder in there, and I'm going to just blot. Okay, I think that looks really good and natural. I did not blot throughout the day. I left this on and untouched for the 11 hours that I have had this foundation on. This looks very, very good to me. For the amount of time that I've had it on, and for it to be like a skin-like foundation, I definitely still think that it's skin-like. It definitely looks skin-like. I'm still not picking up on the blurring effects, but my skin felt weightless all day. It definitely didn't feel heavy or anything like that. I could feel, I guess around 1 o'clock, that the oils were definitely starting to come through. My face just felt that little oiliness feel that it gets. So I definitely did feel the oils coming through, but I did not blot, you guys, because I wanted you guys to see how this thing would hold up if you were to wear it pretty much all day. I definitely think once it has blotted or been blotted, or you know, have touched up, it still looks, you know, just pretty nice. To have had this on for almost 12 hours, it looks really, really good to me. I definitely, y'all, I cannot say enough about this glow product or glow elixir that they launched along with the foundation, because my skin definitely has a super healthy glow, and to have had powder on top of that, and my foundation on top of that, my glow is still like peeking through, and I love it because my skin looks super, super, super healthy when it has a nice glow to it. So I definitely give this glow elixir a double thumbs up, because it definitely works for me, and I'm going to continue to use it and make it a part of my everyday skincare if I can. So this is what it's looking like, y'all. I am loving it. But yeah, this wraps up the video for me. It's definitely a thumbs up in my book. I'm going to continue to wear the foundation. I think that it's great for work. It's great for somebody who's going to be at work like I was all day today. And the Glow Elixir is great for anybody. This wraps up the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. Also, guys, if you're new to my channel and you're watching this video and you loved it, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, you guys, somewhere down below. I will see you guys soon. Bye.